How to cancel Crunchyroll app subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Now over here you're going to find your username, click on it. Now here towards the option of subscription, click on it. Once you're in the subscription page, over here you're going to find different sections of subscription such as active and expired. Here towards the active subscription section, open it. Under that you're going to find the list of the subscriptions that are active. You'll also see the option of Crunchyroll. Click on that option. After you open it, at the bottom left of it, you're going to see the option of cancel subscription. Click on that. You will get the pop-up confirm cancellation. Click on confirm, and just for that you have cancelled the subscription for Crunchyroll. Now you won't be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Crunchyroll app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscription renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, this is how you can easily cancel Crunchyroll app subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.